If you're craving for a mouth-watering, juicy, spicy, delicious chicken tikka, here is the recipe. Take some chicken tikka leg piece, dip it in vinegar water, wash it off, and let's go for the marination. 1 big spoon of paprika powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, and the chicken tikka masala, black pepper, vinegar, soya sauce, salt, and yogurt, and food color, orange food color. All of this, mix it up, make it a nice butter, and just massage your chicken tikka and leave it overnight. And in the morning, just put your chicken tikka in the air fryer for about 200 centigrade for about 15 minutes. And then after that, flip the sides for about like 5 to 6 minutes more, and your chicken tikka will be ready in just minutes, and it will taste just like the smoky, delicious chicken tikka you eat in the bazaar. It's really, it turns out really good. You can serve it with rice or you can serve it with naan. Just squeeze lemon on it and serve it with anything, and delicious chicken tikka is ready. Here you go.